Namaskaram everyone. So we are going to make our grandma's special and yummy prawns mango curry. So this is our grandma's signature dish which our grandfather really loved. So the prawns we have used here is the bigger prawns, but if you actually find, use the smaller prawns as they are much more tastier for this specific dish. Now we add mangoes to the prawns. The way we chop mangoes is also special. We have to chop it horizontally like Amma is showing over here. This will drastically make the curry more tastier. Use mango according to the amount of prawns used. The more sour the mango is, the more better, the more awesomer your gravy will be.
മാങ്ങയാണ് സ്വാദ്. ഇതിൻ്റെ കൂടെ നമ്മൾ 2 പച്ചമുളക് ചേർക്കും, പിന്നെ കറിവേപ്പിലയും കൂടി ചേർക്കും. മാങ്ങയൊക്കെ ഓരോ കറിക്കും ഓരോ രീതിയിൽ അരിയണതിനനുസരിച്ചും സാധനത്തിൻ്റെ ടേസ്റ്റിന് വ്യത്യാസം വരുമെന്നാണ് പണ്ടുള്ളവർ പറയണം. അമ്മയ്ക്കറിയില്ല, അമ്മ കാണിച്ചു തന്നിരിക്കുന്ന ഇങ്ങനെയൊക്കെയാണ്.
Now we add 2 green chilies and also enough curry leaves. We will add the curry leaves like this after removing the stem. Add a little bit of turmeric so that the prawns does not look white inside the gravy. Add only as much as necessary. Now we add enough water before placing it on the flame. The mango should get properly cooked and water properly steamed off for the curry to taste superb. Only after this happens do we add the newly added paste, and not before this into the boiling mixture. This is very essential. One important tip that can greatly enhance the taste of your gravy is that in the first go only, try to get the amount of salt you add correct. When we add salt at different stages in the cooking, it can drastically reduce the taste of the gravy. Now we'll keep it to boil, and in the meantime prepare our paste. For preparing the paste, add 2 red chilli, 2 pieces of small onion, and use fresh coconut for best results. Here mom has used coconut which she had kept in the refrigerator. Make sure the coconut is ground into fine paste using mixie for the best possible taste, and add a little bit of turmeric also.
പാലക്കാട് അപർണയുടെ വീട്ടിൽ നിന്ന് കൊണ്ടുവന്ന മഞ്ഞൾപ്പൊടിയാണ്. ഓക്കെ, ഇനി അമ്മ ഇത് നല്ല ബട്ടർ പോലെ അരച്ചുകൊണ്ട് വരാം.
If the paste gets hot while grinding, the taste gets affected. So a tip is to add a few cubes of ice and then grind it. Cook in a very low or sim flame so that the water boils off very slowly. This will give you a very nice taste.
തീയിലിട്ട് നമ്മൾ പെട്ടെന്ന് വറ്റിച്ചെടുക്കുന്നതും വ്യത്യാസം വരും ടേസ്റ്റിന്. അതൊക്കെ ചെറിയ തീയിലിരുന്ന് വേവണം. ഇത് ഹേനാദിലച്ഛൻ്റെ ഭയങ്കര ഇഷ്ടമുള്ളൊരു ഡിഷാണ്.
So one issue we faced here is that the mango we used today is a bit on the harder side. Use mango which can be easily cooked and become soft very easily. You might ask, can't we use a cooker to do that? If you do, the taste will be greatly affected. So what we can do now is that with a spoon, we gently break the mangoes. Now we stop the flame and add the paste we prepared. The specialty of this dish is that we do not boil the mixture once we add this paste. We only heat it till the raw taste of the paste is removed. And any dish made of coconut should not be boiled is what my grandma told my mom. Add a little more water to get the remaining paste into the dish. Now we have to heat the mixture till steam comes off from the surface. As soon as you see the steam coming off from the surface, immediately stop the flame. Also, a tip is that while stirring the mixture, stir only towards one side and not to all sides simultaneously. This will totally destroy the dish. Now take a separate pan and add some coconut oil. Then add ulua to it. Make sure the ulua does not get burnt. Then we add some mustard seeds. Once the mustard seeds starts bursting,
ചെറിയ ഉള്ളി കടുക് പൊട്ടി കഴിയുമ്പോൾ ചെറിയ ഉള്ളി
add small onion, curry leaves, and lastly red chili. Once this mixture is properly made, we have to add this to our prepared curry and keep it closed so that the aroma seeps in.
ഉടനെ ഇളക്കിയാൽ കടുക് താന്നു പോകും. പിന്നെ അതിൻ്റെ ചരിഞ്ഞു.
Make sure you gently stir. This is very essential that you do not forcefully stir, as the soft pieces of the fish can get broken down because of that. Gently, like holding a baby in your hand. So I couldn't resist tasting the dish, and as soon as I put it in my mouth, there was a burst of flavors, sour, sweet. It was super yum. The fish, the prawns definitely added to the taste. Maybe you can even make it in vegetarian, but I will leave that to you. But this is essentially a fish, and the fish definitely adds to the flavor. So do subscribe to the channel and like the video if you want more such videos.